Why do so many budgets fail?
Many budgets fail because people are unrealistic or too strict with their plans. Setting unattainable goals, ignoring occasional treats, or not accounting for all expenses can lead to frustration and abandonment. A successful budget is honest and flexible, reflecting real habits and expenses. Evaluate your actual spending before setting limits, and make room for fun to avoid feeling deprived.
What is the biggest mistake when tracking expenses?
Not tracking every expense and forgetting small purchases can derail your budget. Skipping coffee receipts, app subscriptions, or spontaneous snacks adds up over time. Even small frequent expenses need to be logged. Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook and make tracking a habit. Reviewing your actual expenses each week can reveal patterns and help you adjust as needed.
How can I avoid overestimating my income?
One common pitfall is basing your budget on your maximum or hoped-for income. If your earnings vary, use your lowest consistent monthly income as your base. Only include guaranteed amounts, not bonuses or overtime. This buffer helps you stay on track and reduces stress if you ever have a leaner month. Treat extra income as a bonus, not a baseline.
Why is ignoring irregular expenses risky?
Many budgets overlook irregular or annual expenses like car maintenance, insurance, or holiday gifts. These expenses can upset your plan if you're not prepared. List all possible costs for the year and divide them into monthly savings goals. Setting aside a little each month for these surprise expenses keeps your budget balanced and avoids sudden financial strain.
What's the importance of reviewing and adjusting your budget?
Treat your budget as a living document, not a one-time task. Regularly reviewing your progress helps you spot problems and adjust as circumstances change. Life events, price changes, or unexpected bills can all affect your plan. By reviewing monthly, you can adjust categories, reset goals, and keep your budget realistic and effective.